guys, and welcome to my channel. So my name is Anita, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to go live from your mobile phone directly to your Facebook business page. So this video is great if you are a business owner who has a Facebook business page but prefers to go live using your mobile phone. Now, you might be a personal trainer, you might be a sports therapist, you might be a health and wellness coach, you might be somebody who doesn't have space in your home to have a studio set up. So going live from your mobile phone is a really good way of kickstarting your live streaming journey. Okay, so my name is Anita Wong, and I'm a digital coach and tech enabler, and I help you to understand and simplify the tools at your fingertips to get the visibility you and your business deserves. So if this is something that you would like to continue learning, please subscribe to my channel and ring that bell if you want notification of the next time I upload a video such as this. And if you've liked this video, please give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions whatsoever throughout this video, please drop them in the comments below and I will answer them for you. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to download the Facebook app to your mobile phone. Now, you can actually go live from the Facebook Creator app on your mobile phone as well, which is called the Business Suite. So you've got two options to go live. So you can go live through the traditional Facebook app, or you can use the new Facebook Business Suite. So both of them enable you to go live directly to your Facebook business page from your mobile phone. Okay, so let's dive in and let's show you how to go live from your mobile phone. As you can see, I have the Facebook app showing on my iPhone. Now, you can also go live from what's known as the Facebook Business Suite. So the Facebook app and the Facebook Business Suite will both allow you to go live from your mobile phone. Now, the Facebook Business Suite is a completely different tool to manage your Facebook business page. And if you want to learn about that, I'll pop a link to a video that I've previously done on my YouTube channel, and you can go and check that out for now. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go live directly from the Facebook app. All you have to do is download it to your phone. If you've already got the Facebook app, just make sure that you've updated it so that it's the most recent version of Facebook, and go ahead and click the open button. Once you've opened the Facebook app, you just need to navigate to your Facebook business page. So the easiest way to do that is to click the three little lines at the bottom right. Once you've clicked that little hamburger menu, as you can see, it says your pages. Go ahead and click that and open up the page that you want to go live from. Okay, so here we are on my Facebook business page. If you haven't already, maybe you might want to give me a little follow or a like over there as well. So how do you actually go live from your page? You just scroll up on your mobile phone, and as you can see, it says create post. So when you create your post, all you have to do is click the live button. So if you click the live button, it's going to open up your screen. So now you've opened it up, you're ready to go live. But before you go live, it's really good practice to add a description so that when you go live, people know what the live's about. So I'm just going to pop in a description here. Once you've done your description, just go ahead and click done. Now, as you can see, there is like a little wand with some stars on it. If you click that, what that does is it enables you to open up some of the different themes that you can use in your live. So the wand enables you to add masks, you can do funny pictures, you can do funny faces. It also has this nice one which sort of smooths out your wrinkles, which I quite like actually, and it gives a little bit of a fade. But there's lots of different things in there that you can have a little look at. So once you've had a little look at some of the filters, there are some other features that I just want to quickly go over, but I'm not going to activate today for the live. So the first thing is raise money. So you can actually link your live stream to a charity or a fundraiser. And the other one is the promote link. So this is an advanced feature which you should get used to using even when you just start out with your live, because what it does is it enables you to have a pop-up link come up like a call to action whilst you're live to get other people to go somewhere during the live. So you might want them to subscribe to an email, or you might want them to jump into your Facebook group or sign up for a challenge. So you've got that option as well. You can pop that on, and actually when you've done it, it will activate during your live, and you can just actually add it to your live when you want to. But for the purpose of this, I just want to show you how to actually go live on your mobile phone. Now, just a few checks before you go live. Make sure that people will be able to hear you. So if you think that there's going to be noise in the background or you're outside, maybe pop in some earphones so that you can actually muffle out the sound. And also, if you use earphones with a microphone built in, then your sound will be much clearer to those people who are listening. If you haven't got earphones like this, maybe use earpods or the small ones that you can pop into your ears. Another thing to think about with your live stream is actually your lighting. So if you are outside, just make sure that you're using as much of the natural daylight as possible. If you're inside and you haven't got natural light, you can use a lamp. So I've got a desktop lamp that I'm using, which is why I look so bright here, and also is helping me light up for my live as well. Otherwise, you can get a small little clip-on light that clips to the top of your phone, and you can also use that as well. Another thing to do if you're live streaming from inside is to actually sit yourself in front of the window, because then you get the natural light coming in. Okay, another thing just to quickly check is that you've got a good signal. If you're using your Wi-Fi at home, then if you're happy with that, go ahead. If not, then make sure that your mobile phone is on your data so that you can live stream from your data as well. Okay, so all that's left to do now is to actually click that go live button. So start live video and actually go live onto your page and actually then talk and converse with your followers. So we're going to go ahead and click that start live video. And what's going to happen is that I'm actually going to go live onto my page. So now I'm live on my page and I can actually talk to everybody that's on my Facebook business page, and I can actually converse with them. What I can also do is down the bottom here, if I want to ask a question of my followers, I can actually click that button, write a comment in there and actually send it to them so that I can actually start off a question as well. You can also invite people that have joined you for your live by clicking this invite button. And if anyone's watching you, you can actually ask them to join your live stream and interview them live. You can also add more filters. So if you want to change the filter that you're using, or you want to add a filter and do something different, so maybe like this one, you can add the filters and change the backgrounds and do all those sorts of things. Oh, kangaroo. If you don't want any of the filters on, you just go ahead and turn them off and go back to the one that you were using. Okay, so once you've finished with all of those things, all you have to do is click the finish button. So go ahead and click the finish button. And what Facebook will do is it will finish your live stream. You are then going to get a couple of choices. It's going to actually ask you whether you want to post the video to be kept on your Facebook business page. So let me just run through this with you a little bit. What happens is that when you're live, your video is live streaming to your Facebook business page and it's being shared by Facebook whilst that happens. However, when you finish your live stream, if you don't want your live stream to stay on your Facebook business page, you can delete it. If, however, you do want it to stay on, because most of the views from your live stream, or the majority of them, will happen afterwards in the replay, you can go ahead and click that share button. Before you do that, just to be sure that you don't lose your video, maybe you might have a drop in signal, I would save it by clicking the save button. When you click the save button, it will save the video to your camera roll. Then all that's left to do is either delete it or go ahead and click the share button. When you share, it's going to upload that video to your Facebook business page and leave it there for everybody to see. How cool is that? So I've really enjoyed showing you how to use the Facebook app to go live onto your Facebook business page. And I hope you've enjoyed this video and find it as useful as I do. Don't forget that if you have any questions, please pop them in the comments below this video. And if you've enjoyed this video, do give me the thumbs up. And I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell for notification of the next time I upload a video just like this one, or I go live on my channel. So all that's left to say really is to have fun with Facebook, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.